Welcome back, lovely people. I trust you're doing very well. Okay, we're going to be making this drink. This drink is fortified with a lot of iron. So, if you know anybody that needs iron, extra energy, that needs to keep their blood supply up, this is what you should use. We're going to be using these Ugwu leaves. Ugwu leaves, guys. Ugwu is very common in Africa. We have ginger and some pineapples as well, and we're going to be juicing all of this together. So what I did was I just cut up my pineapples. I didn't bother with removing the pineapple eye because I'm going to be juicing it, and that's the same thing for the ginger. I didn't bother scraping it, but for the ugu leaves I washed it thoroughly because this is not going to be cooked at all. So you want to make sure that there are no more toxins, dirt or germs in it. So I'm going to be using my juicer. This is a very straightforward and simple process. You just grab your juicer and cut it depending on the kind of juicer you have. You know the way you're supposed to cut your fruit to accommodate it. So I just cut up my fruit this way because this is what is going to help me to juice it effectively without the blades going numb or it stopping halfway. I'll start juicing right now. You can juice everything all together, you can juice it separately. I'm just juicing it anyhow because everything is still going to be mixed at the end of the day. So I have my pineapples, my ginger, and I'll later juice my ugu as well. If you don't have ugu, you can opt for spinach, but ugu is very good. We call it pumpkin leaves. Pumpkin leaves. That is what Ugwu is known as. You can get it in African stores if you don't stay in Africa, if you stay in Europe or any other parts of the world. And guys, if you have low energy, this drink helped me so much. I recently had a baby. I was pregnant and had a baby, and you know that with that you might have blood loss and all that. And I was feeling very weak at some point and my energy levels were low. I had anemia basically, and this was one of the things I took. Ugu is very rich in iron. It will help to keep your iron levels up. The combination of the pineapples and the ginger as well will help to clean your gut. It helps with digestion. The combo of all these three is just so amazing. This is one of the drinks I love so much, and I always want to have it in my fridge. After juicing it like so, you can just store it up in bottles and refrigerate, or you can also freeze it. If you want to freeze, just look for BPA free plastic containers that can freeze in it. They can freeze it with so that it doesn't go bad. It can stay in the fridge for 24 hours and it can stay in the freezer for almost 6 months if you have steady power supply. And that's it, guys. Make sure you drink at least a bottle a day and your body will thank you for it. This is one way you can get rid of anemia, you can get your energy supply up. Thank you so much for watching.